Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a very exceptionally motivated owner who is desirous of handing over this house of modern architecture to its new owner, who only needs to apply minor finishing touches to transform this house into their dream home. The property is located in the quiet community of Fyall Estate, Clarendon. The property consists of 5 bed, 6 baths, open concept kitchen, with modern cabinetry built-ins, living, dining, study or office, laundry room, a patio and 2-car garage unfinished. The property is located close to the town of Maypen, which offers a wide array of public and social amenities. The land area of this house is approximately 18,381 square feet. All reasonable offers are welcomed. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 33 million or US, $214.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.